I'm Ashlyn, this is my husband Zach and Sierra, and we're traveling A to Z. Join us this week as we go cruising on the Norwegian Bliss. In this video, we're going to show you the check-in process, and we're going to give you a cruise ship tour starting on deck 5 all the way to deck 20. We are going on a 7-day Mexican Riviera cruise out of Long Beach, California. As you check in, there's a lot of people around because people are coming off the cruise ship at the same time as people getting ready to check in. Are you going on your first cruise? Yeah. To the Norwegian Bliss. An hour later, we finally made it to the security check-in. After making it through security, we made it to the actual cruise ship check-in. Second check-in. So we're going one floor up to get onto the boat. Almost there. Sierra's having fun looking at all the people. And we're headed on the boat. Here we go. Right now we're on the Norwegian cruise line, the Bliss, and this is a sister ship of the Encore, which we went on not too long ago. It holds about 4,002 people, and it is full. I think it's almost maxed out. I've never seen so many people on a cruise ship. It does spread out, but it definitely is pretty busy. I'm going to give you a tour of the cruise ship starting on the 5th deck all the way up to the 20th deck. The first floor we're going to explore is the 5th floor. The 5th floor is family oriented. They have some family rooms and activities for the kids. Guppy's playroom. There's a Guppy Nursery that is for kids ages 6 months to 3 years. This is for parents and their children. It is not a drop-off area. The Guppy room provides toys, balls, and sensory items. The Splash Academy is a drop-off service for children ages 3 to 12 with flexible programming and activities like arts, crafts, storytelling, treasure hunts, sports, and video games. Entourage is a teen hangout for children ages 13 to 17. Entourage combines hangout zone, dance zone, game zone, and party zone. There are teen counselors that provide activities and games. However, when activities take place around the ship, Entourage may be unsupervised. There's a fairly large arcade on board that has different machines, race car driving, motorcycle driving, basketball, air hockey, and much more. If guests want to play in the arcade, it is $25 per person per day. Guests can play selected arcade games for the duration of their current cruise. The arcade package includes arcade games with green-colored swipes. All other prize and ticket issuing games, including vending machines, will charge at the posted price. The 6th floor has the Bliss Theater, the casinos, and the main dining room, the Manhattan. On this floor, you can find the Bliss Theater, which holds 800 people and has a main showroom for grand-style music and show productions. The Bliss signature theater shows are Jersey Boys and Six. They also had a fun Beatles experience. Past the theater, there's a Q Texas Smokehouse, which is a specialty restaurant that serves authentic Texas barbecue. The Atrium is located in the heart of the Norwegian Bliss. Here you can enjoy a drink at the bar, watch shows, be part of a game show, enjoy music and presentations. Near the Atrium, they have the guest services and also have information about new cruises, shore excursions, along with the internet cafe. You could also find a full-service Starbucks off the Atrium. If you want a little peace and quiet, they also have a card room and a little library. Past the Atrium, you have a beautiful chandelier with a large staircase that goes up to the 7th floor. Coco's, which is an a la carte dessert shop, is also located here but not included, and so is Social, which is a comedy bar. Teppanyaki is a specialized restaurant you could choose from and is a little farther down. They do a little show as they cook food in front of you, and the food was great. Every day they have an art auction. You could buy some original pieces, most are copies. It's pretty neat, kind of a fun little activity to do while you're on the boat. At the back of the boat, there is Taste and Savor, which are identical restaurants that are similar to the Manhattan Room. These two restaurants are included in the cruise fare. Next is the 7th floor that houses more restaurants and the 2nd floor of the theater. The Local is a bar that's open 24/7 and has bar food, and it overlooks the Atrium that has singers and usually game shows. On the back side of the Local bar, there is 2 lanes of mini bowling for $5 a game. There's a large casino on board that have both slot machines and gambling tables. There is a designated smoking room in the casino. So this is one of the free sit-down restaurants that you could go to. At the back of the boat is the Manhattan Room, which is the main dining room on the Bliss ship and is only open for dinner. It has the same food as Taste and Savor. We're now heading to the 8th floor that has most of the specialty restaurants, bars, and shopping. In the middle of the boat, they have the District Brew House. This is a beer bar. The brew house has an impressive selection of over 50 different bottled and 24 draft beers. The Food Republic is a specialty restaurant that specializes in sushi. The wine cellar offers different wine tastings from the Mondavi family, but it does cost extra. La Cucina is a specialty restaurant that specializes in Italian food. The Cavern Club is a comedy club but also does music. That's a mojito bar. The Sugar King Mojito Bar overlooks the large chandelier area and specializes in different flavors of mojitos. On the other side of the mojito bar is Ocean Blue, which is a specialty restaurant that specializes in fish. If you like to shop, they have quite a few jewelry stores and duty-free stores. At the back of the boat, there's 2 more specialty restaurants, Cagney's, which specializes in steak, and Los Lobos, that specializes in Mexican food. Decks 9 through 14 house some of the cabins. We are going to give you a tour of our balcony room. We are heading to our room. We're gonna go check it out. We made it! We got our room on the ship. It is pretty much like the Encore ship. The nice king-size bed. And then right next to it is the little couch, which is pretty comfortable. And if you look around, got the TV, a mirror, a desk, and a refrigerator. Oh, it has a little coffee maker if you're into that. Place to put your bags if you want. We're gonna go check out the bathroom. Let's see. So toilet. Oh, this is our balcony. A gorgeous view of the parking lot. On the 15th floor, they have staterooms in the back and then the large observation lounge in the front. The observation lounge has floor-to-ceiling windows featuring 180-degree views. This lounge makes you feel like you're outside with the enjoyment of being indoors. So we're currently on the 15th floor observation deck, checking it out. They have little snacks and a bar.
We're off!
Are we moving? The 16th floor houses the Garden Cafe, which is a buffet, the pool and the sun deck, fitness center, the barber shop, the beauty salon, and the spa. This is the Garden Cafe. It is huge. Everything you can imagine buffet they have. There's so much food, I don't even know where to start. This cafe is on the 16th floor and they have a whole genre of different restaurants, from noodles to Chinese to Indian to Italian to Mexican. And the buffet is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it's kind of come as you want. Get your food, leave. But it's really good and they have a lot of variety. So I recommend checking it out. And they even have a little tiny bar in here. The Bliss has multiple pools for swimming and lounging, and also a kids' swimming area, 6 hot tubs, and an adult-only area with 2 additional hot tubs. Pools and splash zones for kids, and then there's their water slide. That one over here looks intense though. Fitness center and spa, which is located in the back of the boat. They have a nice gym with state-of-the-art fitness workout equipment, including treadmills, ellipticals, cycle bikes, and free weights. They also offer indoor cycling and group classes, boot camp, yoga, and Pilates. This is the spa. They have a barbershop, they have facials, they have massages. These are super nice. These are the spa hot tubs, but you have to pay extra to be in here. Snow paradise. Wow! How fun! It's literally snow. How cool is that? Yeah. This is the salt room, which is filled with Himalayan salt, which is supposed to alleviate health problems, reduce stress, improve skin, and help with insomnia. You get warm in a sauna, and then you go to the snow room, and the snow room helps with circulation after you've been hot to cold. The 17th floor has some of the Haven suites and the private Haven venues that are only for the Haven passengers. There's 6 hot tubs available, Spice H2O, which is an adult-only area, and a few restaurants. As you walk outside onto the deck, there's some ping pong tables, and then you come to 4 hot tubs, 2 on each side. This floor has the jogging track and is 5 laps for 1 kilometer or 8 laps for a mile. The track goes around the whole 17th floor. Towards the back of the boat, there's 2 restaurants. The American Diner, which is hamburgers and kind of like an old-fashioned diner feel, and the Le Bistro, which is a French restaurant and is a specialty restaurant. Past the restaurant is Spice H2O, which is an outdoor adults-only section. They have a lounge area, 2 hot tubs, a stage, and a bar. The 18th floor has more Haven suites, a courtyard, restaurant, and lounge for the Haven, along with the racetrack and slides.
We're gonna go down the slide!
On inner tubes! We're too big to do it together. It's 300 max.
That was fun.
It was super fun. They have a speedway. If you want to ride the go-karts, make sure to get a reservation for them ahead of time. They then give you an introduction video and a little headpiece and helmet to wear. The go-karts were a lot of fun. I definitely recommend doing it if you have a chance. The 19th floor has the 2nd floor of the racetrack, a little miniature golf course, 2 additional public hot tubs, and 2 private Haven hot tubs. The 2nd floor is a fun place to observe the race car driving. Next to the race car observation deck, there's a 5-hole miniature golf course. How fun is it to golf at sea? The Vi Beach Club is Norwegian's exclusive pay-to-enter adult-only sun deck, which has its own spa and bar. On the 19th floor, there is a sun deck, and there's a hot tub that's available to normal people that aren't in the Haven, and a lot of people don't know about it. And there's a bar right there too, so nice little place to check out if you kind of want to be away from people and people don't know about it, because all the other hot tubs are pretty full. The last floor is the 20th floor, which has laser tag and has a great view of the pool area. The Bliss features a galactic-themed open-air laser tag arena. It cost us $9.95 for a 10-minute session. We did a night session, which was a lot of fun. The view from the top deck is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Norwegian Bliss. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures as we cruise through the Mexican Riviera.